This is a self-care gift basket designed for women, a thoughtful and cozy option for birthdays, holidays, or simply sending a thinking of you moment. What makes this set stand out is the combination of comfort and everyday essentials. It includes a soft knitted blanket and fuzzy socks, which are perfect for relaxing at home, especially during colder days. The materials are designed to feel warm and comfortable, creating a cozy atmosphere right away. You also get a mug and a candle, which pair nicely for quiet moments like enjoying tea, coffee, or just unwinding in the evening. The candle adds a soft, calming touch to the space, making it feel more like a personal retreat. The set also includes smaller accessories like a scrunchie, adding a simple and practical item that can be used daily. Altogether, it feels like a well-rounded care package that mixes relaxation with useful items. I like that it's ready to gift, so you don't need to put anything together yourself. It works well for a variety of occasions, whether it's for your mom, a best friend, or someone who could use a little extra comfort. If you're looking for a thoughtful, all-in-one self-care gift that combines cozy textures and simple everyday items, this spa gift basket is a great option to consider.